In the stormy night when shadows loom, I'll light up off, dispel the gloom. Through twists and turns, I'll stand by you. I'll turn your gray skies to blue. When tears fall down like morning dew, I'll be the one to see you through. In laughter or sorrow, I'm still your boo. I'll turn your gray skies to blue. When hope seems lost and dreams askew, I'll paint it blue, the sky for you. With love and care, I'll mend and sow. I'll turn your gray skies to blue. Through every trial, every test, I'll be your harbor, your tranquil rest. In life's vast sea, I'll be your crew. I'll turn your gray skies to blue. So lean on me for thick and thin. Together we'll face what life may bring. In sunshine's warmth or raindrops dew, I'll turn your gray skies to blue. A steadfast heart forever true. I'll be the friend you can hold on to. Guiding your ship, I'll see you through. I'll turn your gray skies to blue. I'll turn your gray skies to blue. I'll turn your gray skies to blue.